We hope you have enjoyed your journey so far, and we now welcome you to the test section of this disc. Use this section to find the resonant frequency of your speaker cabinets and enclosures. Once you know your resonant frequency, you will then be able to select program material that will push your system to the limit and give you an edge in competition. Here are the tones from 10 to 100 cycles. Warning, adjust your volume levels, adjust your volume levels, adjust your volume levels. Beginning now with 10 cycles. Twenty cycles. 30 cycles. 40 cycles. 50 cycles. 60 cycles. 70 cycles. 80 cycles. 90 cycles. 100 cycles.